In a bustling metropolis, a man named Adil worked diligently at his job, often feeling unnoticed despite his hard work. Frustrated by the lack of recognition, Adil decided to make a change not by speaking up, but by letting his actions speak for themselves. One day, Adil read about the power of nonverbal communication and how actions can convey one's worth. He learned that demonstrating reliability, integrity, and initiative can make a powerful statement without uttering a word. First, Adil started arriving early and staying late, not to impress, but to be fully prepared and available for his team. He took ownership of projects, showing reliability and dedication. Next, Adil focused on integrity. He kept his promises, met deadlines, and owned up to mistakes, earning the trust and respect of his peers. Finally, Adil demonstrated initiative. He offered solutions to problems before being asked and took on extra responsibilities. His proactive attitude showed his commitment and capability. Over time, Adil's silent actions spoke volumes. His colleagues and superiors began to recognize his value, not because he demanded it, but because he consistently demonstrated it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use some stoic wisdom. See you in the next video.